Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are talking about Claude Code and Augment, two powerful AI tools for working with big code bases. Which one is better in 2025? Let's compare. Let's start with Claude Code. It's part of Anthropic's Cloud 3 model and it's super smart at reading and understanding large files. You can upload full projects and Cloud will help you refactor, debug, or explain things clearly. It is great if you want deep code analysis or natural conversations about your code. Now Augment. It is made just for developers. It connects directly to your code bases like GitHub, learns your project structure, and helps you fix bugs, write tests, or ship features faster. It feels more like a real teammate than chatbot. Cloud is more flexible for many kinds of tasks. Augment is more focused and great for daily developer work in real projects. So, which one should you trust for big code bases? If you want a smart all-around helper, go with Cloud Code. If you want something that really understands your repo and helps code faster, Augment might be better. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest tech breakdowns. See you in the next one.